I bought all of this stuff and then I never did anything with it.
I've always kind of had an artistic side. You know, as adults, we tend to kind of lose that. Kind of trying to rediscover that.
I need to learn. I need like physical, like hands-on.
I'm a teacher at Jefferson High School. I'm starting a printmaking program.
Definitely got the first class that I could, and I'm excited.
I'm just making sure that I'm going to be able to set up.
I've been screen printing for about 2 years, so I know a lot of the basic stuff, but took a lot from today and be able to put it to practice when I get home.
I love screen printing. It's a great form of art, really.
I'm hoping that all my questions will be answered, and it really feels like they're going to be.
The instructors are awesome. They're very knowledgeable. You can tell that they know what they're talking about.
No question is a stupid question. They're very happy to help.
In a really easy way to understand, very clear.
And most of all, it's fun.
It just blew my mind.